so sweet.
Here comes Papa. Here comes Papa.
What did you get?
Oh, what'd you get?
It's a baby.
You have a baby brother?
What's his name? Tilden Wyatt.
It's what?
Congratulations.
Uh-huh.
His name is Tilden
Tilden?
Wyatt.
Tilden Wyatt.
Wyatt.
Oh.
He is only 7'6". 7'6".
Wow.
Look at this hair.
Oh my goodness.
my goodness. And he came out backwards. He was posterior, just like her.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But he came out though.
Yeah. Once I felt his head start to come out, I was like, that's it. It's coming out this time. I'm pushing it out this time.
And then 6 times later.
If I let Chad stand right outside the door. They said 2, but can I let Chad?
Well, Jim counts as 1. He'll come in just a second.
It'd be alright.